Verbs in English by Let's Learn English. Do you think you have a good sense of English vocabulary? In today's lesson, we shall have a challenging quiz to test your knowledge. All the best! Does he dash anything about this? Knew, knows, no. The answer is no. We dash here since 2010. Will live, have lived, live. The answer is have lived. I dash her yesterday afternoon. See, saw. The answer is saw. I dash the work in the next few days. Finished, had finished, will finish. The answer is will finish. Do you want me dash the car? To wash, wash. The answer is to wash. How did you do? Leave a comment with your score. If you can improve your vocabulary, you'll have a lot more ways to express yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to receive regular updates on our videos.